So viewers, this is the third part of basic English alphabet sounds. In this video, I'm going to teach you the all possible sound from letters N to R. Let's get started. Alphabet phonics. Letter N. Pronunciation N and Un. Related words with their sounds. First we talk about N as N. Nia, no. Now we talk about N as Un. Human, German, N as N. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Nia, not far away in distance, time, characteristics, or quality. No. Not any, not one, not a. Used in signs and on notices to show that something is not allowed. Used to give negative answers. N as Un. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Human. Having the qualities, faults, and feelings that people have, as opposed to gods, animals, or machines. German, a person from Germany, the language of Germany, Austria, and parts of Switzerland. Alphabet phonics. Letter O. Pronunciation. Here you can see O can be pronounced in 5 ways. A. O, oo. Related words with their sounds. First we talk about the first sound of O, that is A. Got, shot. Now we talk about the second sound of O, that is O. Abroad, bowed. Now we talk about the third sound of O, that is O. Go, hold. Now we talk about the fourth sound of O, that is Monday, London. Now we talk about the last and the fifth sound of O, that is oo. Moon, zoom. O as A. Got. Past simple and past participle of get. Got is also used with have or has to show that someone has or possesses something. Sumaya Zainab got means now has a new pair of glasses. Shot. Past simple and past participle of shoot. A kick, hit, or throw of the ball that is intended to score points in a sport, such as cricket, football, tennis, or golf. O as O. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Abroad, in or to a foreign country or countries. Board, a thin flat piece of hard material such as wood or plastic, often used for a particular purpose. O as O. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Go, to travel or move to another place, to be in the process of moving. Hold, to take and keep something in your hand or arms. O as O. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Monday, the day of the week after Sunday and before Tuesday. London, the capital city of England and the United Kingdom. O as oo. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Moon, the round object that moves in the sky around the earth and can be seen at night. Zoom, a brand name for computer software that allows a group of 2 or more people to see and talk to each other over the internet using their computers, tablets, or smartphones. Alphabet phonics. Letter P. Pronunciation P. Related words with their sounds. Here you can see 3 words in red with their pronunciation. Play, park, power. P as P. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Play. When you play, especially as a child, you spend time doing and enjoying and or entertaining activity. Park. A large area of land with grass and trees, usually surrounded by fences or walls, and specially arranged so that people can walk in it for pleasure or children can play in it. Power. Strength. To act with great strength or in a forceful way. Alphabet phonics. Letter Q. Pronunciation K. Related words with their sounds. Here you can see 3 words with their pronunciation. Quick, squat, quiet. Q as K. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Quick. Doing something fast, happening or done with great speed, or lasting only a short time. Squat. A small group of people trained to work together as a unit. Quiet. Making very little noise. A quiet person is one who does not talk much. Alphabet phonics. Letter R. Pronunciation R. R and Related words with their sound. First we talk about the first sound of R, that is R. Rub, rest. Now we talk about the second sound of R, that is A. Shark, dark. Now we talk about the third and last sound of R, that is her, purr. R as R. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Rub. The act of rubbing something. To press or be pressed against something with a circular or up and down repeated movement. Rest. A period of time in which you relax. Do not do anything active or sleep. R as R. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Shark. A large fish that has sharp teeth and a pointed fin on its back. Dark. With little or no light. R as A. Names with images. Here I have a word with its pronunciation, explanation, and an image for you. Her. Used usually as the object of a verb or preposition to refer to a woman, girl, or female animal that has just been mentioned or is just about to be mentioned. Per. For each. Used when expressing rates, prices, or measurements to mean for each. That's all about basic English alphabet sounds part 3. I hope you enjoyed and learned from my video. If you really like my video, so please like and share it with your loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. See you with the 4th part of basic English alphabet sound. Till then, take great care of you. Bye bye.